Welcome. Let's meet the Singleton, a creational design pattern that guarantees a class has just one instance, with a single global access point. Think AppConfig, Logger, or Connection Pool. Let's begin. Picture an application configuration manager, AppConfig, holding a theme, a language, and an API endpoint. Several parts of the program each build their own AppConfig with new. A change made in one stays invisible to the others, and memory is wasted on duplicates. How can every part share one consistent configuration? The most direct approach: create AppConfig objects with new in several places. Each copy drifts on its own. The language never blocks a second new, so nothing guarantees a single instance. One common workaround: pass a single AppConfig through constructors and parameters everywhere. Another: a mutable global anyone can reassign. Both are fragile, full of hidden coupling, and never guarantee one instance. Here's the solution: the Singleton. We build AppConfig with a private constructor, so no other code can call new. A private static field holds the single instance. A public static getInstance creates that object on the first call, then returns the same one every time. Two callers share it. In multi-threaded code, this lazy creation must be made thread-safe. Here's the Singleton class diagram. The AppConfig class holds a private static instance attribute, a private constructor, and a public static getInstance operation. The association points back to itself, since the class keeps its only instance. The key benefits: one guaranteed instance, a single global access point, and lazy initialization when first needed. Look at the code before and after Singleton. The dangerous version scatters new AppConfig everywhere, then passes the object through parameters, creating many separate, uncontrolled instances. The safe version hides the constructor and uses AppConfig.getInstance consistently. Every call returns the same object, one shared instance for the entire program. The Singleton guarantees one instance with a single global access point, giving consistent state, controlled access, and lazy initialization. But it adds global state, complicates testing, and needs thread care. Use it only when one shared instance is truly required.